These yellow packs start from real potatoes. Let's go inside the Lay's factory. Careful with this batch, quality sample first. Size and texture look good, approve this lot. Remove the damaged ones, keep only clean skins. Line speed set, send them to washing. Increase rinse for this muddy batch. Filter cleaned, water flow normal again.
Color sensor is catching green spots fast.
These won't go into slicing. Steam peel cycle complete.
Skin removal looks even.
Inside quality confirmed. Thickness set to crisp profile. We keep slices uniform here.
Nice clean cuts. Rinsing off extra starch now.
Water clarity is good. Moisture level dropping. Dry enough for fryer. Fry cycle starting now. Temperature locked steady. Color turning golden. Oil temp holding perfect. That's the crisp we want. Let excess oil drip off. Texture check sample. Flavor batch loaded. Even coverage running. New flavor refill done. All flavor lines active. Smell that? Perfect coat.
Cooling before packing.
Cooling target reached. Initiating crunch test. Crunch level approved. Shade matches standard. Yellow film centered, run the pack line. Fill drop clean, no chip break.
Portion confirmed.
Nitrogen on, freshness lock.
Seal holding strong.
Seal and print both approved. One misseal removed. Finished packs flowing smooth. Count 24 per carton. Keep packs upright. Close the flaps clean. Tape seal running. Stack pattern same, keep it tight. Lay's chip cartons loaded. Yellow packs inside, verified. Lay's yellow bag shipment sealed and dispatched.